If there's one place you may want to take off of your vacation destination list for the time being, it's Florida. There is a cluster of measles cases. One of the schools in which the measles cases are rising is located at Matinee Bay Elementary School in Weston. Measles is so contagious that 90% of unvaccinated people who are exposed will become infected. And to make matters worse, 1 in 5 people, or 20% of individuals who contract the measles, will need to go to the hospital. But those facts didn't seem to stop Surgeon General of Florida, Joseph A. Lopado, to make the statement that it is the decision